What's up everyone, Howard Pinsky here, taking a look at Photoshop's new Select Subject feature that was released with the January 2018 update, and it does exactly what you would imagine it to do. Here I have a photo of a well-bearded man, which I may want to isolate from the background. Up under the Select menu, you'll now find the Subject option, which utilizes Adobe Sensei technology to detect not only subjects which may be in focus, but it's also able to determine what the subject may be to help create a more accurate selection. From here, I can hop right into Select and Mask to refine the selection even more. In this case, brushing around his hair and beard will leave us with a much sharper extraction. Let's look at one more example. Select Subject can be used to quickly block out this very fluffy lion, but because it doesn't automatically refine the edges, we can once again jump into Select and Mask to perfect it. Because we're working with a lot of hair, turning on Smart Radius and increasing the value should give us a really nice starting point, and then brushing around the mane will further refine our extraction. You may also notice that in addition to the Decontaminate Colors checkbox, the Amount slider has finally returned to Photoshop. This will help remove any green that may be seeping over onto the subject. And that's a look at the new Select Subject feature available right now in the latest Photoshop update. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified when I release new videos, and follow me on Twitch to keep up with my gaming streams. Take care.